Hello, this is Eric from the iManifold team. Today we're going to go over the icons on your application. The upper left here, you'll see this personal icon, and then in the upper right hand corner, which is basically settings, that's signified by your superpower icon. So going over here to the personal icon, this will give you your user information. Myself here, the user, Eric Urrutia. If I tap on user info, this will bring up my first name, my last name, telephone number, and you can also select an icon if you like, a little widget there to put in a caricature if you like. Tap save, that way it'll keep that info in. We're going to go back into this personal icon and take a look at our company info. This is where you can enter in your company information, phone number, address, to have this identified within your application. So let's save on that again. On that same icon again, opening up, we also have a choice to log out. If you don't want to log out, just tap anywhere over here on the screen. Get back into your main menu, and we can go back up here into our superpowers or settings menu. We'll open that up. Your iCoins, these are earned by doing some fun stuff here. Complete a task and it'll give you coins in here, and you can use those towards iManifold purchases in the future. This just keeps a running tally on how much you've used your application. One of the important things over here in this is your Unison measure. Setting this up on Unison measure, this will help you with your the way you're reading the application, whether you're running on PSI or kilograms, whether you're standard or metric. All these settings in here, Unison measure, this is what you're going to default to once you save it. So going over your pressure, your temperature, vacuum, static pressure, airflow, capacity, density, enthalpy, and dehumidification, when you select what measurements you want, your unit of measure, after that you're going to save it. So we're going to save it down here. Now those are set into my system to take a look at. Going back into my superpowers, next down here is news. This is going to, you open that up, it's going to tell you what trade shows we could possibly be at, anything that's news in the industry that we share, that'll be up on the news point there. Fun stuff, these are the tasks, like I said, you can take a look at some of that, doing some tasks and earning some iCoins. That involves giving feedback and everything else. Join the group here that will link you up to our Facebook page. So you can join us on social media and give us some info. Take a look at all kinds of new things that are happening. You can also talk to the iManifold team. This will send us a message directly, and we'll get back to you as soon as we can. You can type in, and if you have any questions, where to purchase, anything like that. Anything that comes to mind, if you need to get a hold of us, just feel free to jump in on that. And then, of course, settings down here. This is another setting that you really want to take a look at in this regards your equipment defaults. So on your settings in here, we run on our frequency, whether you're 60 or 50 hertz, your system configuration. Which one you work on the most? Is it going to be a split or a package? You can select either. Same thing with air handler or furnace, single or three-phase, and run down the line here. So this is just your preferences. That is what the system will fire up on. You can still change it within the app, just in case you said that you're going to set up for a split, but the unit that you're working on is a package. You can change it in the app. This is just going to be your defaults. So getting this set up speeds up your process and gets you going a lot quicker. Once you select it, you're going to hit save down here on the bottom right, and you're all set to go. Keep an eye out for more videos to follow. We will be going through profiling to get you up and running for everything that you've got going with your iManifold system. Thanks, and talk to you soon.